Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by placing the image where you need it. Insert the photo via Insert Pictures and choose the file. Once placed, resize from the corner handles to preserve aspect ratio so proportions stay correct. Next, crop tightly to remove irrelevant edges. This reduces file size and focuses attention. Make sure the wrap text option is appropriate, in front of text or tight for manual placement. Finally, check picture resolution if the document will print. Avoid unwanted downsampling and use compressed pictures only after edit. Once the photo is positioned, move into detailed adjustments to improve clarity and composition. Use picture format corrections and color to adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation because small tonal changes improve legibility and print results. Try remove background for simple cutouts or crop to shape for masks when you need custom silhouettes. Use the selection pane to manage overlapping objects, then align and group elements so they move together. Finally, apply Format Painter to replicate a polished look across multiple images. To finish, make quality and file size choices that match your delivery method. Use compressed pictures with a target like print or web so you control resolution and reduce file bloat. Keep a high-res copy if needed. Then preview and print layout and export to PDF to lock positioning and fonts. Once done, save a version copy. If something goes wrong, revert to the original image or reinsert it. If Word's tools can't achieve the edit, open the photo in an external editor, redo the change, and replace it in the document.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.